How to get a refund on your SeatGeek tickets. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So to get a refund on SeatGeek tickets, the process depends on the event's cancellation or postponement status and the specific terms of your orders. If your event is canceled and not rescheduled, SeatGeek, by a guarantee, will typically provide a full refund. If the event is postponed, your tickets are usually valid for the new date. If you cannot attend the rescheduled event, you can typically resell your ticket on the SeatGeek marketplace. Now, if your ticket don't scan at the venue, contact SeatGeek immediately. Their buyer guarantee will help you resolve the issue, which may include a refund or a replacement ticket. Also, for any refund-related issues or question, reach out to SeatGeek customer support directly. You can find the customer information and support articles on the SeatGeek website. So, that is the video, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.